I'm Joelle and you're watching Fluffy Kawaii Show. Today I'm with Maryanne again and we are doing
Petit Pastel.
Petit Pastel. So this is a box of candy making fun that I got for my birthday and we are going to make it and let's try it. Let's see. Let's go!
Okay.
Open it.
Let's open it.
Be careful because then I think we can reuse the box to make like a stand.
It says to open, then have to take this off, and then we open the doors.
Oh.
Wait. I don't want to break it. Oh, shit.
You can do that. Don't worry.
Doors are a bit hard to open. Okay. Now you can open the doors.
Yay!
So what's inside?
Okay, this is the small stand to put the things on.
And sort of bag, I think with chocolates.
Yeah, we had several other ones, but this one I think they're already done and we just have to...
And now there's the inside of the Kawaii.
Oh, that's cute.
Store.
So let me see how it's supposed to look. Oh, we can... Oh, sorry! We can remove this part and use the coins. We have to cut the coins to pay. This is a sweet shop.
So you do this and then you put this and it's supposed to make like a storefront.
Yay. Okay, let's open it. What do we have? Oh! Oh no! They're actually already done. So we just... That's it. We just put them in front to make a cute storefront. Okay, so which one is this? This is a pumpkin. And it has some kind of candy on the back and on top it's chocolate. So this is a chocolate bear with a round candy on the bottom. And this is a heart with a green candy. Is that okay to carry it away?
Yeah,
okay,
perfect.
perfect. Another pumpkin. Okay, let's try to make different ones. Ooh, this is
an ice cream cone.
Kind of an ice cream. Okay, yeah, sometimes there are candies on top and sometimes it's on the bottom. Okay, another ice cream cone. They said I have 15 different ones. Another bear. Another heart. Do they have different designs? Ooh, another kind of ice cream cone. Do you want this one?
Yeah, sure.
Let's put this one here.
I can't see, but it's fine.
Oh, this is a whale.
Oh, it's a whale.
It looks like a whale.
Oh, yeah, I think it is a whale.
It's like
I'm trying to find the picture on
Do you have a whale?
No, there's no whale.
There's robots
it
and
says,
the cakes and...
It says there's a bear, a rocket.
A rocket, okay,
a pumpkin.
I have a Shinkansen!
Ah! How cute!
My godson would love that. Okay, let's put the Shinkansen. And... Okay, I have a ghost.
Apparently you get like a surprise or something.
Okay, yeah, it looks like it. Okay, so I have the ghost. And I have some kind of bow.
Oh, cute.
And some kind of flower. Another bow, another ice cream cone, another Shinkansen. Or what is it? What is it? Is it a train?
Maybe it's a flattened train.
Maybe
I think it is the Shinkansen.
No, I think this is the locomotive and this is the wagons.
Oh, I see.
So we have a full Shinkansen, and that's it. I think, yeah, we have these three that we couldn't put, and all the other are the same. Okay, so this one wasn't really DIY. That's just
a cute construction.
Yeah.
What about the taste, though?
Okay, so let's try.
Let's put down the thing. Okay, so I got all these. Which one do you want to eat first?
I don't know. Just try first.
I'll take the ice cream, I guess.
Okay.
Well, it smells like chocolate. That's a good start.
It's, Japanese chocolate.
It's good. It's kind of like an M&M.
Yeah, this candy is like or maybe Maltesers or something. It's a bit crunchy. Okay, let me bite in it so you can see. So half the part is chocolate and the top is
Did it work?
I don't know if you can see. It's like a bit of crunchy thing.
I got it.
Oh, good job.
So, I don't know if you can see.
It's actually
It's
surprisingly
kind of like
good.
it's a Malteser. I'm
Yeah,
pretty
yeah.
sure it's a Malteser with chocolate.
Yeah. It's surprisingly good.
Yeah, it is actually.
So I've done other stuff like that in the past, and they were like, you know, candy with paste and stuff, and they were questionably good. And those are actually good. And yeah, that was easy.
You can cut out the coins.
Yeah,
to
yeah,
make
yeah.
money.
So you remove this, and then you can play and buy.
Oh, yeah. So you can play like the storekeeper.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't do it. I don't have any force, and it says scissors. So.
Oh. Yeah, we have to remove this, and then you have to use scissors to cut around the
Okay.
money.
Well,
Do you want to do that or not?
No.
We don't need to do that.
We don't need to do that.
No. Just, but we broke the front. So that
little
was
bit.
the front.
Yeah.
And it was a Petit Pastel, small pastel. I don't see why it's any relation to chocolate.
Maybe because they're pastel colored.
Oh, pastel colors, and they're small.
And there's, yeah.
Yay! So yeah, actually, that is good. It's not a lot of crafting required, actually. Just
Yeah, nothing.
putting together the box.
No
but
effort required.
no effort required and good. So go buy it.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching that video and see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.